Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick!
Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Kaitayan in Action and we're about to play Alan Pia Pick. And I'd like to acknowledge ang ating audience, law students from Tarlac State University. Congratulations ngayon pa lamang. Yes. And broadcast students from PUP. Welcome to the program. Tayo. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's play. 3, 2, 1, go!
Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick!
Walang uuwi na talo dahil ang hindi papalarin ay magkakaroon ng 2,000 pesos. Ang mananalo naman will have a chance to win 10,000. Kung hindi mo naman matalo si Ate Pia, magkakaroon ng pagkakataong magpaikot ng ruleta. Kung saan pwede ka pa rin manalo ng 10, 5, 3, 2,000 pesos. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go!
Alan Pia Pick!
Thank you very much. Ika'y nanalo ng 2,000 pesos mula kay Ate Pia.
Here you go. Congratulations.
Salamat, Angela. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Samantala, Shirley, ikaw naman, ano ang gagawin mo sa iyong mapapanalunan?
Bibili po kami ng coffee.
Okay. So, para makainom ng masarap na coffee, ay pagbutihan mo, Shirley. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick!
Shirley, maraming salamat. Okay. Dito naman tayo. Ang mananalo sa inyo ay magkakaroon pagkakataon makalaro si Kuya Alan na mahirap talunin. Pero tingnan natin. Alright? 3, 2, 1, go!
Alan Pia Pick!
No, but you have your 2,000 pesos. Congratulations. Maraming salamat. It's now your turn to
Did you
play.
say Cabrera? Oh, baka kamag-anak pa namin siya. Kasi ang lola ko, Juliana Cabrera Luna.
Malay natin, di ba? Malay
Kuya,
natin.
alam nyo na po.
Okay, so good luck. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick!
Congratulations! Galing!
Before ka umalis, i-recite mo nga yung people versus...
Maraming salamat.
Thank you so
Thank you. Thank you. Palakpakan natin. At maraming salamat sa Show My King, sa ating kaibigan JC Premier. Maraming salamat. At lahat ay bibigyan ho natin ng pastries mula po sa La Luna.
Para hindi kayo panay coffee, barley ito. Barley naman.
Maraming salamat. What a show it was. No?
Kasi nakita ko yung reminders natin na bago tayo magpaalamin, yung talagang face-to-face natin, talagang mabigat kasi pasa-pasa yung ownership ng lupa and then denial. So sometimes, just like life, it's complicated, just like a simple game of Alan Pia Pick. But you can lessen the complication by documenting, diba? That's one reminder we always give, and clarifying the objectives, especially among family. Yun lang masasabi ko.
Ako yung takeaway ko doon. Kailangan talaga matuto tayong mag-agree to disagree. Or, di ba, find a way to disagree na hindi mawawala yung stress eh. Hindi mawawala yung anxious ka, hindi mawawala yung parang sana ma-solve na to ulit, di ba? Pero nadadagdagan kasi kung yung away, manganganak.
Hindi maluluma yung konsepto na let's build relationships. Ang daming may iwasan na gulo kung merong mga relasyon. Importante kasi na napapaalalahanan tayo kung saan tayo nanggaling, anong ating kwento. Because if we're able to celebrate our story, yung ating present, yung ating now, ay hindi ko man sasabihin na lahat ng problema ay masosolve. Pero mas klaro ang perspektibo, ang point of view, dahil alam mo ang iyong pinanggagalingan. So maraming salamat. Ate Pia?
Yeah, it's time to say goodbye just for today's show, but we're looking forward to more discussions with all of you. And my reminder until we all see each other again is what my late father used to always say, huwag magpaapi, alamin ang batas.
Kung may legal na kaalaman, mas mailalaban ang ating karapatan.
At let's not complicate matters. Doon tayo sa tama dahil sa batas wala tayong kawala. Maraming salamat. Kita-kita tayo next week. Muli, dito lamang po sa...